Hi, I'm Sophia from Volkswagen Waterloo. Here in Ontario, winter driving can be unpredictable. One day it's mild, the next you're dealing with snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. The good news is that a little preparation goes a long way. Let's take a moment to go over how you can get your Volkswagen ready for the season ahead. The best place to start is with a winter maintenance checkup. Whether you book it on its own or include it during your next scheduled service, this is the easiest way to make sure your Volkswagen is winter ready. Our factory-trained technicians will inspect key components like your battery, brakes, tires, and heating system, catching any issues before they turn into a problem on a cold morning. Before the first frost, check that you have an ice scraper in good condition and washer fluid rated at -40 degrees Celsius. The Ministry of Transportation of Ontario recommends using a winter-grade washer fluid to prevent freezing and maintain visibility in severe weather. Another great step is to assemble a winter survival kit to keep in your Volkswagen. Include items like a fully charged phone, bottled water, non-perishable snacks, a flashlight, jumper cables, a small shovel, traction mats or sand, candles, and a lighter. These essentials can make all the difference if you ever find yourself stuck or waiting for roadside assistance. We often have safety kits available right here at Volkswagen Waterloo, but you can also build your own at home. The key is to be prepared before the first big snowfall. Winter driving in Ontario demands patience, preparation, and a bit of extra care. But with the right habits and a Volkswagen built for your Canadian conditions, you'll be ready for whatever the season throws your way. Thank you for watching. I'm Sophia from Volkswagen Waterloo, reminding you to stay prepared, stay alert, and drive safe this winter.
Volkswagen Waterloo, positively different.